Hi, I'm Lynn with Vista Sotheby's International Realty. Thank you for joining me at my new listing at 820 Via Somonte in Palos Verdes Estates. I can't wait for you to take a look. Stunning and unobstructed Queen's Necklace views from the Santa Monica Bay to downtown Los Angeles, highlighting the spectacular coastline, city lights, and mountains await you from every room of this lovely coastal Mediterranean villa. Ideally situated on one of the most coveted streets in Palos Verdes and located in the prestigious Malaga Cove area of PV, this elegant west-facing home offers you the opportunity to reside in a truly peaceful resort-like location within short distance to beaches, restaurants, shopping, and the award-winning Palos Verdes School District. The entry-level primary suite is spacious with large walk-in closet, a spa-like bathroom with luxurious tub, separate walk-in shower with dual heads, and dual stone-topped vanities. The views are incredible from every window in this suite, and it also enjoys its own private balcony on which to sit and enjoy the quiet beauty of the area. There are 3 additional private bedrooms and 2 additional bathrooms on this level. The light-filled and expansive second-level living space includes the gourmet chef's kitchen with granite countertops, stone flooring, Viking appliances, and a full 4th bathroom, formal living room, dining room, and of course the great room with fireplace and hardwood floors, which has been enlarged with arched ceilings to highlight the billiard sports room with built-in bar and beverage center. Perfect for all of your family gatherings. These rooms with French doors flow into the backyard that has been beautifully designed for indoor-outdoor living with stone patio, stacked stone fireplace, a soothing waterfall pond, built-in barbecue and kitchen area. Beyond the patio, the property has been terraced with steps leading up to a large covered deck with in-ground spa that creates an entire additional living space, ideal for relaxing and entertaining family and friends. On this exquisite level, the views are even more extraordinary and breathtaking. You are sure to be mesmerized by the ever-changing views from the various rooms and spaces of this exceptional property. This unique home captures the essence of Palos Verdes lifestyle, which includes numerous activities for a healthy and fulfilling lifestyle. This is a home you must see.